ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ DJI OSMO ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ 4 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನಾನು ರೀಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್. ದ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ OSMO ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್. ವಿ ಓಪನ್. once we open, we have a case, external case. Okay, let me open it. Inside the case we have got 2 screws and we have a protective case here. This is a curved adhesive mount and we have a magnetic clip to hold the camera. Okay. And then this is the protective case. This can be mounted horizontally. I think this is a horizontal case, not the vertical one. Okay, here is the Action 4 camera. Okay, this works as both horizontal and vertical mount, because the horizontal clip, horizontal it mounts here like this. Okay, sorry, for vertical it mounts here like this, but for horizontal it will be mounted directly to the camera, just like this. Let me open everything once. Here we got the beautiful DJI Action 4 OSMO Action 4 camera. We have a power button and we have opening here. Maybe it's for battery and SD card. Okay, I don't know how to open it. Yeah, now this port is for charging. Here we have USB-C type port, so we can put it for charging from here. And also we can use this for external microphone as well. We can put external microphone here. It's a nice option. And then we have a magnetic base here. Let me try with the mount. Yeah, this is the mount clip. I think we have to press it. Yeah, once we press this clip, it will, it's not very sturdy, I'm not sure. It's okay. Yeah, it's holding very decently. Yeah, we can use this here as a horizontal mount. For vertical, I have to remove this clip and we have to put it here. Yeah, great. This is very convenient. And we have a beautiful camera here. I will turn on this camera after installing the battery after some time. This is the battery insert we have. It's a pretty big battery we have. I don't know the ratings of the battery. Let me just check once I unbox the batteries. And since I got an adventure combo, I got 3 batteries. The camera is here and this is a curved adhesive mount. Let's move into the accessories part. We have accessories encasement here. Okay, it's written accessories here. open it. Here we have a USB C type to C cable, and then we have one more mount here, the magnetic mount. This is pretty long compared to the older one. Let me open it. Yeah, we can clearly see the base is little bit longer compared to the other one. Yeah, it sticks. Yeah, it's very, they have put a strong magnet here. Okay, and then inside the case we have a battery pack. The battery pack is nicely done, and we have a USB-C type charging port here, and also we have a power button. If we turn on this power button, we can turn on this power button so that we can use this as a USB-C type power bank. We can charge our mobile. And then we have 3 batteries. The battery rating must be, it is made in Thailand, but the camera is made in China. Yeah, it's 1770 milliampere hour. It's a pretty big battery. It will give around 2.5 hours of recording. Yeah. After the batteries, we have a lens cover here. Yeah, protective lens cover. And then we have some stickering of DJI, followed by a warranty card, or maybe, okay, it's a video editing app. To download a video editing app, we can use this one. We can scan this and we can download a video editing app. Because it's a user guide and some other documents we have here. That's it, nothing much. It's a very compact packaging. After unboxing everything, there is a selfie stick here inside the package. They said it's a 1.5 meter long selfie stick. Let me unbox. Yeah, this looks cool. I don't know how to open this. Wow. Okay. Okay, this very long selfie stick, you can see it's very long, it can even touch my TV. Okay, this one is very lightweight and easy to use. It's a very handy. Yeah, it's a great accessory. This can be used for vlogging as well. We can mount the camera here and we can use for vlogging. Yeah, it's really good.